Hello and welcome to Investor Web, the channel dedicated to providing you with insights into the world of finance and investment. Our mission is to help you navigate the complex yet fascinating arena of wealth creation. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the knowledge that the wealthy possess. We're diving into the top 10 things that rich people know about the world, knowledge that sets them apart and contributes to their success. So, without further ado, let's delve into these 10 secrets. Firstly, rich people understand the true nature of money. For many, money is merely a tool for buying goods and services. However, those with wealth perceive it differently. They see money not just as a means of transaction, but as a mechanism to create even more wealth. Imagine money as a diligent employee that is tirelessly working around the clock. That's how the affluent treat their money. They invest, allowing their money to generate more money. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it to grow into a fruitful tree. They don't let their money sit idle in a bank account earning minimal interest. Instead, they put their money to work in real estate, stocks, bonds, startup companies, and numerous other ventures. This proactive approach to managing money can lead to exponential growth over time. Indeed, understanding money is the first step towards wealth creation. It's about recognizing its potential and leveraging it to build a financially secure future. And secondly, rich people know the power of investments. They comprehend the art of making money work for them rather than the other way around. You see, it's not just about earning and saving, it's about growing what you've saved. And this growth comes from investing. Rich people diversify their investments across various assets. They put their money into stocks, becoming part owners of businesses that they believe in. They invest in real estate, understanding the enduring value of land and property. They even start or buy into businesses, becoming entrepreneurs and reaping the rewards of these ventures. The cornerstone of their investment strategy is the magic of compounding. This is the process where the returns on an investment are reinvested, leading to exponentially growing wealth over time. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining size and speed with every turn. Thus, investing wisely is a key strategy for wealth accumulation. Thirdly, rich people value financial education. They know that wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about understanding it. And understanding money means learning about it. They immerse themselves in this language by reading books on the subject, attending seminars, and seeking advice from financial experts. They understand that the financial world is ever-changing, and to stay ahead, they need to keep up with these changes. They don't just rely on their past knowledge or experience, they're always looking to learn something new. They know that financial education can help them make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. It can help them understand the risks and rewards of different investment opportunities. It can help them plan for the future and achieve their financial goals. Hence, financial education is a crucial part of wealth creation. It's not just about making money, it's about understanding it, managing it, and growing it. Fourthly, rich people understand the power of networking. They recognize that wealth isn't just amassed in solitude, but often through the collective effort of a well-connected network. It's like a web of influence where each connection can open up a world of opportunities. Building this network isn't a matter of mere socializing. It's about forging relationships with individuals who share similar goals and values. People who can provide insights, guidance, and resources that can accelerate the journey to wealth creation. They keep in regular contact with their network, nurturing these relationships over time. They're not just taking, they're also giving, sharing their own insights, offering assistance, and being a valuable connection for others. It's an ongoing process, a give and take that fosters mutual growth. The right connections can lead to partnerships, investments, and opportunities that might not have been accessible otherwise. Therefore, networking is another important aspect of wealth creation. Fifthly, rich people value their time. It's a precious, non-renewable resource, and they understand this all too well. Just like a rare diamond, once a moment passes, you can't get it back. Therefore, wealthy individuals are extremely meticulous about where and how they spend their time. It's not merely about being busy, but about being productive. This is where the concept of delegation comes in. In order to maximize their time, the affluent often delegate tasks that don't require their unique skills or expertise. They recognize that some tasks, while necessary, are not the best use of their time. so they hire or appoint others to handle such tasks. This frees up their time to focus on high-value activities that contribute significantly to their wealth. The key takeaway here is that being rich isn't just about having money, it's about having time. Time to enjoy life, time to pursue passions, and time to spend with loved ones. So, managing time effectively is another secret to wealth creation. Sixthly, rich people understand the power of passive income. This isn't about working longer hours or taking on a second job. It's about smart investment strategies that generate income even when you're not actively working. Consider rental properties, for example. Once the initial investment is made, these properties can provide a steady income stream, often with minimal effort on the part of the owner. Rich people know this well and strategically invest in real estate to benefit from this source of passive income. Then there's the stock market. Dividends from stocks are another form of passive income. By investing in dividend-paying companies, one can receive a regular payout that can contribute significantly to their overall wealth. The beauty of passive income is that it can provide financial freedom. It allows the rich to maintain their lifestyle without trading time for money. It's about making money work for you, not the other way around. Thus, passive income is another key to wealth creation. Seventhly, rich people understand the importance of giving. It's not just about accumulating wealth for themselves, but also about sharing and giving back to the community. They recognize the intrinsic value of supporting worthy causes and helping those less fortunate. Charitable giving is a common practice among the affluent, as they often donate to charities, foundations, and causes they deeply care about. It's not merely a tax write-off, but a genuine act of philanthropy reflecting their commitment to societal well-being. Moreover, this spirit of giving isn't limited to money. Many successful individuals also give their time and expertise, mentoring the next generation or sharing their wisdom and experiences. They understand that by helping others to succeed, they are not only creating a positive impact, but also paving the way for a more prosperous and equitable society. In essence, the strategy of the wealthy is not just about making money, but also about making a difference. Hence, giving is also a part of their wealth creation strategy. Eighthly, rich people understand the power of mindset. It's like a secret weapon that drives their financial journey. They possess what is known as a growth mindset. They don't settle for mediocrity or stagnation. Rather, they strive for constant improvement, believing they can increase their wealth and attain even loftier goals. This mindset is not just about optimism, it's about being realistic and strategic. Rich people understand that wealth creation is not a sprint but a marathon. They are not afraid to take calculated risks, knowing full well that every decision may not lead to success. But they see these not as failures but as stepping stones, lessons to be learned and opportunities for growth. They believe in their ability to make the right decisions, to learn from their mistakes, and to bounce back stronger. This mindset, this unwavering belief in their own potential, is a driving force behind their success. Therefore, having the right mindset is crucial for wealth creation. Ninthly, rich people value their health. They understand that without health, all the wealth in the world amounts to nothing. Our health is our most invaluable asset, the foundation upon which we build our lives. Rich people invest time, energy, and resources into maintaining good health. They know that a balanced diet does not only fuel the body, but also the mind. They understand that regular exercise is not merely a means to stay fit, but a tool to boost productivity and creativity. They also recognize the importance of mental health. They are aware that stress, if not managed properly, can have detrimental impacts on their overall well-being. Moreover, they value rest and recreation, knowing that these elements are essential to maintain peak performance. They don't believe in sacrificing health for wealth, rather they view health as a crucial part of their wealth. Thus, taking care of one's health is another secret to wealth creation. Lastly, rich people understand the power of persistence. They grasp the concept that success is not an overnight phenomenon. It's a marathon, not a sprint. They are tenacious, relentless, and indefatigable in their pursuit of financial prosperity. Being rich doesn't mean they've never encountered failure. Quite the contrary. They've faced setbacks, stumbled, and even fallen. But what sets them apart? They get up, they dust themselves off, learn from their mishaps, and keep moving forward. They comprehend that every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise, a chance to learn, grow, and adapt. They do not view a setback as the end, but rather a detour on the road to success. They are willing to endure, to persist, and to keep striving towards their financial goals, no matter what comes their way. The road to wealth is often paved with challenges, but those who persist, who keep pushing, who refuse to give up, they are the ones who reach the pinnacle of financial success. So persistence is another key to wealth creation. And there we have it, the 10 things rich people know about the world, from understanding money to recognizing the power of investments, the importance of financial education, networking, valuing time, passive income, and giving. Not forgetting the strength of mindset, the paramount importance of health, and the unyielding power of persistence. These are the pearls of wisdom that pave the path to wealth. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insights into the world of finance and investments. See you in the next video.